the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Courtney, and today we are discussing geographic restrictions and child support. In Texas family law, geographic restrictions and child support are two key factors that can significantly impact co-parenting arrangements after a divorce or custody case. A geographic restriction limits where a custodial parent can live with the child, ensuring that both parents remain actively involved in their child's life. Meanwhile, child support is a financial obligation designed to cover a child's essential needs, such as housing, education, and healthcare. While these two issues are separate legal matters, they often intersect when determining what is in the best interest of the child. Geographic restrictions are typically included in custody orders called conservatorship orders in Texas. A court may limit the child's residence to a specific county or a group of nearby counties to prevent one parent from moving far away and making visitation difficult for the other parent. These restrictions aim to maintain stability in the child's life by ensuring regular contact with both parents. However, if a parent wishes to relocate outside of the restricted area, they must seek court approval, demonstrating that the move is necessary and still supports the child's best interests. Child support, on the other hand, is determined based on Texas guidelines that consider the paying parent's income and the number of children that are supported. The standard formula typically requires a non-custodial parent to pay a percentage of their net income. However, if geographic restrictions create challenges such as increased travel, expenses for visitation, either parent can petition the court for modifications to the custody arrangement or child support payments. In some cases, a judge may adjust support obligations to account for long-distance visitation travels. It's important to understand that a parent cannot refuse to pay child support simply because the custodial parent relocates. Likewise, a parent cannot violate a geographic restriction without legal approval, as doing so could lead to serious legal consequences, including a modification of custody. These matters require careful legal navigation to ensure compliance with court orders while protecting the child's best interests. If you are dealing with issues related to geographic restrictions and child support, consult with an experienced Texas family law attorney at the law office of Bryan Fagan. Our team can help you understand your rights, negotiate modifications if necessary, and ensure that your child's well-being remains the top priority. And we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.